Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to enable one hand mode on Realme 2. The screen of Realme 2 is really big. Some people will have problem reaching the whole screen. So for them you can use the one hand feature. To enable one hand feature you have to scroll from the top. Here you will find one hand mode. If you don't find one hand mode, you have to click on this button beside the settings icon. Click on this button. The inactive toggles will show up. Under inactive toggles you can see one hand mode. All you need to do is you have to simply drag and drop the inactive toggle to the active section. Now when you click on one hand mode, you can see that you can simply read the whole area. If you want the one hand mode on the right side, you can do that. You need to click on this button. It will switch to the right side. You can change this one hand mode to either left or right. If you want the full screen, all you need to do is you have to tap on this button and it will get back to the full screen mode. That's it guys. In this way you can use the one hand mode on Realme 2. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.